Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I will be unboxing my favorite SugarBox. Now according to me, SugarBox is one of the best subscription box in India because it contains all types of things inside it, whether it's related to the skincare or clothing or general accessories which you might need, and also tad bits of food items. I absolutely love the SugarBox and I have got this winter edition and let's see what's inside it. The very first thing that you receive in the SugarBox is this pom-pom sewed round sling bag. This bag is so in these days. I'm absolutely loving it. It has really good quality. The next thing that you receive in this SugarBox is a hoodie which says "I woke up like this," written in Hindi, which is so quirky and different. The next thing that you receive is the Snowflakes woolen gloves. They are so soft and I'm really happy that I received gloves in the SugarBox because gloves are an absolute necessity in winters. The next thing that you get in the SugarBox is this magic lip balm. It looks like a lipstick from outside and when you open it, you see a clear lip balm. But after some time, according to the pH level of your body, it gets colored in pink color, and oh my god, it is such a delight to be having this product. Next thing that you receive in the SugarBox is the Cactus sticky notes. Now these are sticky notes in which you can write anything and stick on anything that you want. Next you receive a set of 2 adjustable bold rings, which is quite different. I've not seen these type of rings anywhere, and it's a good accessory to your outfit. You also receive a woolen flower beanie matching to the hoodie, and it's so soft. And lastly, you receive a cute cookie which you can munch on. In total, you receive products worth rupees 4,349 rupees and you pay only 1,899 rupees for it. I absolutely loved the winter edition of the SugarBox. It has everything that you would need during the winters. It's an absolute delight to be receiving the SugarBox. I would recommend this box to anyone if anyone asks me what subscription box I should go for, because it is value for money and excitement at the same time. You can shop this box from their website sugarbox.in. I would be mentioning the link in the description box down below, and I personally feel that it is a perfect gifting option to yourself and to your loved ones. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram to know me a little more. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.